of space, this Einstein's conception of time is undesirable. Time is undesirable or must be wrong because it leads to absurd or at least undesirable conclusion that future is predetermined and there is no real creativity. And that goes against, it's not a logical contradiction, but this goes against Iqbal's basic intuition about reality and its nature. That's why he goes on to say that time as a free creative movement has no meaning for the theory. That is the theory of relativity. So the time as free creative movement. So time for Iqbal is either free creative movement itself or precondition of that. And by free he means here not predetermined. So he's not a compatibilist in that sense, predetermined. And creativity and movement. That's why time, movement, creativity are these are the three. This is the triangle or Iqbal. Creativity, time, and movement. They are mutually related. So creativity requires time, it requires movement. Without a particular conception of time, there is no movement. And there's no creativity without a particular conception of time. And creativity has special meaning here as well, which we can sense something entirely new. Probably creation ex nihilo or something approaching that. So anything which can be predetermined is not creative for Iqbal. That seems by definition. So far anyway. So time as a free creative movement. The time as a free creative movement has no meaning for theory. Like that is theory of relativity. In other words, it means time is free creative movement, or at least it's one of the major aspects of what time is for Iqbal. Time is a free creative movement. It can mean many things, but one way to understand it is to say that time is the precondition. A particular conception of time is necessary for the idea of free creative movement. And that particular conception of time is not what the theory of relativity portrays time to be. It's not rejecting relativity's conception of time as such, but it's saying that this can't be the essence of time, or this can't be the whole notion of what time is. And then he goes